Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry Byron. In this video, we are going to learn insert row and column in action. So this is a short tutorial which will help you to insert and update the row and column in action. So this is number 17 video number. So if you haven't watched the past video, you can watch in this playlist given in the description. So let's dive into it. You can see here my data is from 1 to 9, and if I want to insert more rows in this between these cells, I will just go here. Suppose I want between this 6 and 7 number, I want to insert one row, so I'll just click here and then right click, and then you will see insert. So I'll just click here and you can see between this 6 and 7 it is inserted one row. So this short quick trick you can use also shortcut key for inserting the rows. In the same way, if I want two rows, so I will select these two rows and I will select right click and insert. Now you can see I have selected two rows, then after only the selected rows are inserted. So in this way you can insert, as simple as that. This is the same process with which you can insert the column also. This is for row, and for column you can go to the column rows, and if I want between this A and B, I want to insert one column, I will just select B, right click and insert, and that's all. This is the simple way to insert column. If I want 4 columns, I'll select the 4 and right click insert. You can see 1 2 3 4 column is inserted, and then other are remaining the same. So if I want to delete, so I'll select all the selected which I want to delete and right click and delete. As simple as that. I will select the range and right click delete. In the same process you can do, you can insert and delete. I will right click and delete. So this is the way to insert the rows and column, and also to delete rows and column in action. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. This is the Excel for Beginner series, and I have uploaded 17 videos till now, so you can watch my YouTube channel. I have uploaded many videos of related topic of Microsoft Excel, Power BI, Power Query, and tips and tricks. You can watch from this channel, and this is absolutely free. And please subscribe to my channel. And that's all for today, and see you in the video 18 Excel for Beginner. Thank you.